So this is the information video of mine, and I know that it's super long time, but just 1 week that we didn't see each other, or just like I didn't vlog. But this is just first the information video before I vlog. But the only other things that is completely different is just like I thought my Geronimo Stilton book collection is lost. I mean the video here in YouTube, I thought it was lost, but when I search it and I find for it, at least I saw it. I just searched for it a while ago. So we're having a book fair of Scholastic, and I saw many books of Geronimo Stilton, but this time I don't know if I really don't know if I can get a full or complete Geronimo Stilton book collection. I don't think I can have that, because I have a friend who has a complete Geronimo Stilton book collection, and I mean the information video will basically soon be later. And my parents knew about it, but my friend that has the book collection of Geronimo Stilton, complete one, is she said that she's going to give me the ones that I don't have, because she knows what I don't have and I have, so she will completely give it to me. So I'm super really scared, because my parents didn't let me, or didn't allow me to get some. So I'm gonna ask again tomorrow, and then on October 14th I will get it if I can. Okay. Here is some schedules, and now let's get back to the information video. So here's the schedules. October 7th, I will be having the Feast of the Holy Rosary, and I will read a gospel, and then pray for the Virgin Mary. So yeah. And for October 15 is a Bible quiz B, the final round, because last September 4 we won in 3rd place in the Bible quiz B elimination. But I didn't start it, but I just started vlogging from September 11. But this one is the final round, so I think I can't vlog every day. You know that I can't vlog every day because I'm studying the readings. The readings we're gonna have is Pope Francis, Life of Pope Francis, Letters of St. Paul to the Romans, Gospel of Mark and John, and the readings or the writings of Prophet Isaiah and Jeremiah. So I'm gonna study a lot, because today is October 5 in the Philippines, and I know the other countries it's October 4, but this one it's only 10 days. 10 days. So it's super hard to just review in just a few days that you give it. And yeah, October 24, birthday of PewDiePie. I'm gonna have on October 24, I'm gonna have a greeting for PewDiePie, and it's definitely dedicated to PewDiePie, and I'll have some brofests. Now PewDiePie, let's have a brofest. So yeah, I'm a Bro Army 1 year ago, September 22, 2014. I just feel that PewDiePie is the most my favorite YouTuber. He's my most favorite. He's my most favorite YouTuber, and I know I know he's saying bad words, but we're not watching. We're not just copying it when he's saying bad words, but they say we're allowed to watch PewDiePie, but with parental guidance or parental guidance. So, okay, October 25. Okay, that's Sunday. We're gonna have a duet with my sister. Our song is definitely a surprise. It's still secret. And yeah, especially this day until tomorrow, October 5 to 6, is the World Teachers Day. And all of the teachers there, happy World Teachers Day. And congratulations for all the teachers that teach all of us kids, and especially students. Well, thank you, teachers. Even though I'm not in your country, I just thank you with all your support for teaching all of us children or kids, for teaching us with all your might. Thank you. Okay, now this is the end of the vlog. Season 1, episode 8. This is the finale of the season 1. And I will have some season 2 trailer. So the daily vlog will be cut off first. Maybe after October 15 or 6 or 14 maybe. It will be cut off, right? Because I'm gonna study first. Or this is the I'm just curious. I know it's not fair to be ending this season 1 daily vlog, but I know this is daily vlog, so it's supposed to be daily. I know this is, but I will not now call it daily vlog. I'm just gonna call it something. I'm just gonna call it some vlog series. And now this is the season 1, episode 8 episode with our information video. And especially the season 2, I will have some season 2 trailer. Especially the information video after October 14 or October 15. The information you have or the schedule you have from me is supposed, it's gonna be some trailers from the season 2 or teaser images. And guys, okay, this is another information video. Starting today, we're gonna have some website, and it's not still made. We're just gonna plan for this site title, but I have already had an idea that it's called www.familygroup.org. But that site title, our website is just still we're just making our website for this month. And yeah, just like PewDiePie, we're going to have a game too, and a RPG. It's not like the PewDiePie Legend of the Brofist. I have that game, but we're gonna have a game just like a RPG. But yeah, we're just still planning about that game. But I'm gonna call it Wait, the family group, the family group quest. Okay, the family group Geronimo Stilton's quest, just like that. But we're just gonna make first the website, and we're going to have some teaser images there, and I think it will be gonna appear on October 25, just like the duet of ours. But it was just only a teaser images, and maybe you will see it at what is it called? What is it called? Teaser images, yeah. And the teaser images will be just like characters, or not maybe the characters, or just only the title or the cover. But maybe it will happen on October 25. Okay, so I hope you understand this, and I will see you in the next one. So yeah, PewDiePie, Brofist, and for you all.